Hey guys, it's Bowser here with Penny Stock Data Science. Been a little while, but making a video today. Gonna be talking about GVSI once again, a follow-up video. Before we begin, just please make sure you subscribe to the channel. We've been getting a lot of subscribers lately. You guys have been doing a good job, but please make sure you subscribe. Some more subscribers we get, better content we can put out there. And we do have a plan to give away once we hit 1,000 subscribers on YouTube. But back to GVSI. So since our last video, we saw that GVSI went pink limited. We have the page here. Pink limited. They did put out the attorney letter after the annual report that we talked about on our last video. I think it was incorrectly filed at first, that's what the company said, but it's been filed correctly. So as long as there's no issue with that and the attorney gets approved, this should be pink current, any day now. OTC Markets isn't the fastest when it comes to that stuff, but as long as the application for the specific attorney that wrote the letter, if they're not already an approved service provider, just got to get that approved, should be good to go. But with this in particular, this really has followed the pattern that we laid out in our previous videos, and we can go to the chart here and we can take a look. We saw that started walking up as the filings came out into that pink limited status. We had this pretty decent pop here. I believe that's the day it went pink limited. I could be wrong, but we see this walk up pattern into pink limited where really only market makers can buy, no retail investor unless you're accredited or something like that with a specialty broker can buy. So we see this big walk up period here, and it gives a really good sell opportunity to anyone who's been holding this and wants to exit. And that's really up to the investor or trader, but it is something that we've talked about quite a bit. Where is that period going to be where you can make a profitable trade? Whether you've been holding this for since sub penny, 2 years ago, or you bought higher up and you just want to get out. But this is the zone that we've been talking about for months now, where people have been locked up in this thing. A lot of liquidity locked up in this, and maybe they want to exit, maybe they don't. Maybe you think this is going to be the greatest merger to ever hit planet Earth. But I hope it does turn out well. But this is important right here. And now the question is, okay, this is pink limited, annual reports out, the attorney letter has been posted, should be approved by OTC Markets, barring anything coming up, which seems unlikely to me, and that's my personal opinion. But once this does go pink current, the question is just what's next, and that's what we've been talking about. We don't know what the plans are. We have no idea if there's going to be any issue because this is an all reporter, not a SEC reporter. We've seen what has happened with the other tickers, related to this with the same CEO, WNFT. That had a really nice walk up and then just obliterated. It's been moving back up lately, but we don't know what's going to happen here. So this zone right here, where the price goes up into the catalyst, pink limited, pink current, gives you an opportunity to exit if you wanted to, or if you just want to keep holding, you can. But nobody knows what's going to happen next. Nobody knows if there's going to be some issue with the type of reporting, or if there's going to be some kind of issue now finding a merger or acquisition or whatever. So really, this was the opportunity we talked about, that we laid out, that we said, hey, look at this. This is what we think is going to happen, and happen. So next, it's just you can hold because you think it's going to become a good merger, or you think whatever. But this right here, everyone got an opportunity to exit if they wanted to, or to figure out what they want to do. And we really do hope that this becomes a good play, because it's important for the OTC overall. You need big plays to keep things moving, and we think it's really important for this to do well, for OTC to really bounce back. We've been seeing more and more plays overall in OTC. I mean, we saw the REPO the other day that went really well. But we're hopeful for this, and that's all we have today for GVSI specifically. But there's other stuff going on with potential share cancellations. But we'll make another video soon if there's any good updates out there. And subscribe to the channel. And we hope you found the video informative. Thanks.